Let's practice about the fractional indices. Question 1, evaluate. Okay, so for this question, I think you can use in your calculator, but maybe you don't need to use that. It's very easy. 81 to power of 1 over 2, so square root of 81. This is 9. About B, you got cube root of 27. Yes, that is 3. C, square root of 60. This is 4. D, cube root of 8 is mean 2. E, square root of 49 is 7. About F, cube root of 1000. Yes, this will be 10. And G, you got 4 root of 16 is mean 4 because it mean 2 because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 4 times you will got 16, or 2 to power 4 here will be 60 here. Question 8, you got square root of 64. Yes, that is 8. Question I, cube root of 64. This also be the integer 4 here. And the last one is very easy because 1 to power of any number become to 1. So this slide we finish very quick. Yeah. The next one you will got here 1 over 4. So 4 roots of 81 will be 3. For question L, you got 5th root of 32 equal to 2. For question M, this is equal to 0. Very easy. Question N, you got cube root of 125 equal to 5. Question O, you got 3, 4, 3, and here is 3. So how can you work with this one? I cannot remember about here, so I will using my calculator. Yeah, that is 7. About P, 128, and you got 7 root, you will got 2. About Q, 256, you got 4 root outside. I cannot calculate this one in my mind, so using my calculator, I've got this question. Okay, and now question S, a little bit harder. You got oh sorry, this is not easy. Oh yes, this is Q. Oh, R. So it's not S, this is R. So for question R here is not easy anymore because you got the root is 3, Q root, but the power is 2 here. So for calculating this one, I will using a little advanced techniques. I will calculate the cube root first because I know about the cube root of 125 will be the integer. So I will calculate this one first. And how about the number 2 here? Put them inside the bracket and I got the power number 2 outside. And inside the bracket you got cube root of 125 is mean 5. So 5 square, okay, I'm got 25. Yeah. How about S? I'm got square root of 4 to power of 5, and I will move 5 outside the bracket, and then you got 2 to power of 5 here, and 32, you got this one. Yeah, question S we finished. Question T, you got 8 and you got cube root and you got square by this one. By here you got 8 outside, square will be here, 2 square, and then you got 4. 2 square, and then you got 4. Yeah, so by this writing. Question U, the power is 3 over 2, square root, of course, square root of 9 and 3 inside. But I can put 3 outside this square root for easily calculating. Square root of 9, you got 3 cubed, so easy for me now, 27. Question V, I will have a -1 to power of 3, so we have problem about this. Negative fractional indices. The first step, I have to convert this one become to the positive indices first, and then you got cube root of 1 over 8. Separate this cube root for numerator and cube root for denominator. Here is 1 and here is 2. Yeah, that's it, because cube root of 8 you got 2. Question V, we finished. Question W, you got negative 1 over 2. 9 to power of negative 1 over 2. So for this, you got 1 over 9, and the outside will be 1 over 2 by this writing. Square root of 1 over 9, you got square root of 1 divided by square root of 9. And then you got 1 over 3. It's quite easy, right? The next question, you got 16, 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4. So 1 over 16 here, and then the outside only 1 over 4. This means the big cube root, big 4 root of 1 over 1 over 60. And then you got 4 root of 1 divided by 4. That's it, we finish this one. Question Y. Got here is 1 over 64 with positive indices, 2 over 3, and then you got square in here. No, you got cube root in here, and you got square for fraction inside this bracket. Yeah, for this bracket, and then I will have this one is 1 and here is 64 square. Apply cube root for numerator, you got this form, and then you got this form, 64 square. So the numerator is very easy, it is 1, and the denominator will be 64 cube root here, and then you got square outside, and you got 1 over 4 square equal to 1 over 16 by this writing. Okay, so that is the final question of the first question. Question Y, we finish here.